everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy, as you know, and this is an unboxing of the On The Go stitching box. This is gonna be really quick because I've already opened this box and I don't know if it looks a little hazy to you guys. I'm doing a voiceover. I got a new camera and it came with a screen protector for the back, and so I don't know, it looks hazy to me in the filming, but I don't think it is. So this is the Retreating box from Black Needle Society. This is the second box I've gotten, and this is the March edition. Like I said, I've already opened this, and I made a mistake in this video, and I had to record half of it twice. So it ended up going really fast. Yeah. So this is a little booklet that they put in here that the inside tells you everything that they have in the box. And then the back has like their Instagram challenge, the photo challenge that they do. I never do them. I'm not that disciplined, I guess, because I always forget. So yeah, what can you do? So the first thing in the box is this small zipper pouch. It's got a quote by Winnie the Pooh on it. It says, "It's always an adventure with you." I don't particularly care for a lot of Disney stuff. Is Winnie the Pooh Disney? I don't know. I don't care for Winnie the Pooh, as you can tell. It's a cute little pouch, though. The inside's lined with a soft, I don't know, it's not felt. I don't know what it is. Just a soft material. And it'll be nice for small projects, like the chart that comes in the box. The next thing is this wallet. It's cute. I really like the idea of it, but I don't like the roses and the pink. But I might still be, I don't know, maybe using it. I'm not sure. But it says I'd rather be buying cross stitch, and it's pink and white. It kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, the 80s when everybody used to take those flower pictures, and the white wicker chairs and stuff. I don't know, whatever. So it's like yours down your wallet. It's got a change pouch and credit card pouches and everything in between. So yeah, it's cute. Yeah, this video is gonna be all over the place, you guys. So the next thing is the chart. This one's called Half the Fun from Ink Circles. I don't think I show the name Ink Circles at all, but it is from Ink Circles. And it's basically like travel themed. You've got hot air balloons in the middle. You can see like some buses, some helicopters. Basically there's like a train, modes of transportation, I guess. It's a little sneak peek of the chart, but that's not the whole thing anyway. It is a, oh well, you can see the stitch count there. I went too fast even for myself. So this is where I mess up when I'm pulling out this bag. So when I bring it back, I think I pull it out again right here. Let's see what the video shows. Yes, I pulled the bag out again. So I don't know. I ended up pausing it on accident when I was zooming out to show you guys what the bag said, and didn't record the whole second half of the video. I even forgot to show you guys something. I do show it at the end. You'll see. This is a giant freaking bag. You can see how big it is by the size of my hands. It says I went to my craft room and all I got was this tote bag. It's huge. If I recall correctly, the one from the Harry Potter Retreat in a Box was also very huge as well. I don't think their January box came with a tote bag. The next thing is this protein puck. I guess the flavor is called Wonderlust. It's got peanut butter, almonds, oats, cranberries, and sunflower seeds. I'm interested in trying it. I don't particularly buy things like this because they're so expensive. And I'm a hungry girl and I like to eat, so, you know. We got some floss cards that are done on like a map theme, you know, cut out of a map or something. And it does come with the floss ring. So I really like those. You get these cute oil slick scissors. Everything was packaged or in a plastic, you guys. Like I said, this is like the third time I've gone through this box, so the packaging's gone this time. These are really cute, though. I have a cute scissor holder that Amy, my bestie, sent me for Christmas, and that's where that's going to be stored. So we do have a hand-dyed silk. This one only came with one silk floss, and it's in the color Bouquet from Bestitch Me. And then I also got the needle minder called, it says Resting Stitch Face, and this one does work. My last needle minder that I got from them in the January edition did not work, but this one I did test out and it does hold the needle as it should. The next thing is this bracelet. I don't know where the quote's from, but it says, "Not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts." And it's got like measurements on it. So stinking cute. I love the idea of it. Definitely not my aesthetic, but it's so cute. I love it. I don't think it's one size fits all. It's actually quite small, but you know. And then you have this tray. I can't remember what the tray is called, but it's in the booklet. It's lined very nicely on the inside with some type of soft material, and then the outside is like a faux leather. The color way might not be everybody's cup of tea. It's definitely not my cup of tea, but I love the idea of it, and it's perfect for couch stitching, and I will definitely be using it. I do have to say that I am very, very impressed with this box. I was kind of scared going into the boxes when they released a statement saying that it was going to be a mix of stitching and lifestyle boxes, but I'm glad to see that everything in this box, even though there's some lifestyle items, are stitch related, except for the protein bar, but that's minimal compared to everything else in here. And then this is where I realized that I forgot to show you guys something, and I bring it up here in a second. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I did cancel my subscription, so I don't have that anymore. I won't be getting any more of these except for the Harry Potter boxes. And then here, I wish that they put the prices inside the card, because like we know what we pay, but we don't exactly know what we're getting out of it. Like how we don't know if we're getting our money's worth, you know? So here's the thing that I forgot to show you guys. It's a freaking phone holder, a wooden phone holder, and it's got a Flosstube logo on it, and it comes into two pieces. So you can store it flat. They just slide into each other, and you can rest your phone on it, and I absolutely freaking love it. And then it does have a hole on the bottom so that if you need to charge your phone, it's got the space for that. And it's just, this is honestly the best thing that I've ever received in the Black Needle Society boxes. Okay, you guys, that is it. It was super freaking fast. I just hope you guys enjoyed it. It was beneficial. If you guys have been thinking about getting it, yeah, you should.